Hi, I'm Georgina from BBC Learning English. In today's lesson, we're going to look at 3 differences between American English and British English spelling. Words which end with ER in American English often end in RE in British English. For example, I live in the centre of town changes to centre. Normally verbs which end in IZE in American English can be spelt in British English with either IZE or ISE. For example, can you organise a meeting changes to organise. Sometimes words with OR in American English can be spelt in British English using OUR. For example, what's your favourite colour changes to favourite colour. It doesn't matter whether you use American English or British English spelling. Just make sure you use one or the other.